Hello children, now alphabet time. काय करायचं आहे? Alphabet writing करायचं आहे. Okay? So take out your handwriting book and take out your page number 30 and take out your pencil eraser also. Come on children, hurry up. So today I will teach you how to write alphabet L, capital L and small l. See children how to write L for lion, L for lion. See how to write L for lemon, L for log and L for lion. See children how to write. See, hold your pencil properly. See children, this is red line, blue line and again red line. You have start from red line. See children, which letter we have right here? Capital L. First you draw standing line and then small sleeping line. This is capital A, L. See children, again draw standing line and small sleeping line. This is capital L. Again draw standing line then sleeping line. This is capital L. Again draw standing line from red line to blue line and draw sleeping line. This is capital L. Children, you have to write in your handwriting book. तुम्ही तुमच्या handwriting book मध्ये same write करायचं आहे, capital L. Then go to next page. Go to next page. What is there? Page number 31. Page number 31. Yes. When you complete capital L, then you take out your page number 31. What is there? Small l. Small l काढायचं आपल्याला. Okay. See children how to write small l. See. You have write from red line to blue line one standing line only. See children. This is small l. Again, you have to write from red line to blue line, draw standing line. This is small l. Again, red line to blue line, one standing line. This is small l. Again, see children how to write. Slowly you have to write. You have draw standing line. See, this is capital, this is small l, this is capital L and this is a small l. Both of page you have to complete. Okay. Now children, when you complete capital L and small l, which alphabet will come after L? M alphabet येणार हो की नाही. So M for mat and M for moon. So take out your page number 32 and which book? Handwriting book है ना. तुम्ही handwriting book मध्येच प्रॅक्टिस करताय ना. येस. मग तुम्ही पेज नंबर 3 to 32 काढायचा आहे and see how to write capital M. See children. See, you have to write from red line to blue line one standing line, then slanting line, then again draw slanting line and one standing line. This is capital M. M for moon. Now again, see children how to write capital M. See, first draw standing line. अगोदर standing line काढायची आहे. Then slanting line, then draw slanting line, again draw slanting line and one standing line. This is capital M. See children, draw one standing line, then draw slanting line, again draw slanting line and standing line. This is capital M. Again draw standing line, then draw slanting line, then again draw one slanting line and draw standing line. This is capital M. Now when you complete capital M, what we have write? Small m. So take out your page number 33. Take out your page number 33. See, आता काय राईट करायचं आपल्याला? स्मॉल m. ओके. Now see children. First, see, this is red line, blue line, again blue line and red line. पण जेव्हा तुम्ही स्मॉल n राईट करणार तेव्हा कुठल्या लाईन मध्ये ड्रॉ राईट करणार? रायटिंग कुठे करणार? ब्लू लाईन मध्ये. ओके, मिडल लाईन मध्ये. सी, वन स्मॉल स्टँडिंग लाईन, देन टेक स्मॉल कर्व and take standing line, then again draw one curve and one standing line. This is small m. This is small m. See children, you have to write in two blue line. First draw standing line, then small curve and again standing line, and then again draw one curve and one standing line. This is capital M. This is small m. See, draw one standing line, small curve, then standing line, again take small curve, then again standing line. This is small m. See children, draw standing line, small curve, again standing line, then again small curve and then standing line. This is small m. See children, this is capital M and this is a small m. You have to write complete L and M. Small m, capital L, small l, capital M and small m. Children, see children, when you complete in handwriting book capital L, small l, capital M and small m. When you complete this book, then you have to write also in 4-line notebook. Okay, see, this is your 4-line notebook. When you complete handwriting book, you have to write here also. Okay students, which alphabet? L, small l, capital M and small m, and send your notebook images on our group.